Hello, my name is David Lundgren, and I'm a criminal defense lawyer in Minneapolis, Minnesota. A question that I get frequently from people that have recently been arrested for a crime is, when are the police required to read me my Miranda rights? A lot of people have the belief that those rights have to be read to them immediately upon their arrest because they see that in the popular TV shows that they watch, where the detective arrests someone and as they're being placed into the back of a squad car, they're reading them their Miranda rights. However, that's not how it works in reality, and that's not what is required by the law. Miranda is required to be read to a suspect when they are in custody and subject to interrogation. Interrogation is defined as questioning by the police that is likely to elicit an incriminating response from the suspect. And so, in reality, the police wait until immediately before any questions that they may have for the suspect until they read Miranda. And they do this for a couple of reasons. One, they don't ask every suspect questions in every case. And so, if they don't intend to ask the suspect any questions at all, it doesn't make sense for them to read that person their Miranda warnings. But second, and probably the biggest reason they don't read someone their Miranda warning right away is because they will wait until immediately before questioning with the hopes that the person may say something during that period of time that would be an admission to a crime. And that can come about from a number of different scenarios. One is a spontaneous criminal admission by that person, either while that person is sitting in the squad car or while they're being transported to the police department or while they're being processed into the police department. They may just say something incriminating spontaneously, and that happens more than you might think. In other situations, the police may even give that person their cell phone with the hopes that that person will call someone and talk about what's going on and say something incriminating on that phone call. And yet, in even other times, there may be someone on the scene that's not a police officer that asks the suspect a question and the suspect responds in an incriminating manner. And so, by waiting until immediately before the police intend to start asking the suspect questions, they gain the tactical advantage of not reminding that person, the suspect, that anything that they say can and will be used against them in their case. If you have any questions related to criminal law, Miranda, or otherwise, I'm always happy to answer them. Feel free to reach out either by phone, email, or on social media, and I'd be happy to talk with you about your questions. Take care.